everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have the Sirui P-325FL Carbon Fiber Monopod for review. The versatile P-325FL lightweight, only 1.17 kilos carbon fiber monopod with low profile tripod for Sirui stabilize your camera to produce still images, or it swivels smoothly to capture video. Sirui is advanced photo-video monopod that combines functions of monopods, walking stick mode and tabletop tripods into a whole. The innovative modular design and flip-lock mechanism are doomed to provide you with more convenience and creative opportunities. The carbon fiber structure gives the P-325FL monopod a weight of only 1.17 kilos, which is 21% lighter than previous models from Sirui. The monopod features a unique modular design. 4 modules included the mounting plate, main tube section, tripod foot, rubber foot, can be detached and combined freely to form a monopod, a walking stick or a tabletop tripod. The quick release system has a distinct advantage over the locking knob system. Pull down the top button quickly list sleeve to detach modules in quick and easy way. Thanks to the trigger mechanism, even a mounting plate with heavy gear attached can be inserted into the quick release sleeves within a second. When inserted the mounting plate will be locked securely into place. 2 bulb levels on the base allow you to always keep the monopod in good balance even when you are doing highly mobile outdoor shots. The monopod is divided into 5 sections via 4 flip locks, boasting a user-friendly design. Shutters should feel fairly comfortable and easy using the flip locks. Open all flip locks with just a single hand to adjust the monopod from the minimum height to the maximum height. Thanks to the flip locks deployed, the monopod becomes pretty quick and easy. Retract leg tubes and close all flip locks with a single hand to get a compact camera support. The tripod foot is well built with solid aluminum, offering 2 positions at your choice. Legs can be folded up reversibly to fit into your rucksack. The feet are thin and solid when deployed. They click softly so you know when they are in place. They are easily moved in and out of position. They have rubber on the bottom and top to protect the monopod when raised. The locks are tight and grip the shafts of the monopod perfectly. The sling action of the telescope is smooth, light and fast. The quick release plate is rock solid when installed at the top of the monopod or on the feet as a mini tripod. Absolutely wonderful monopod. Sirui does such a great job of making high quality camera accessories. You can really tell by the machine work and fit and finish of their products that they really are invested in making quality products. This monopod is extremely versatile with the tripod foot that is included. Use it as a monopod, use it as a tabletop tripod, use it as a boom pole. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. And if you have any question, please let me know down at the comment. Bye!